Do you ever wonder why some high school or college dropouts make it big out there, but valedictorians rarely make history? Intelligence is something that isn't always easily spotted. Sometimes it means more than simply getting an A on a test or receiving your diploma. There's a difference between being a lifelong learner and jumping through the academic hoops just to get by in life. Wondering where you fall with your abilities? Here are 5 signs you're highly intelligent. 1. You're not afraid to ask questions. Smart people rarely just follow the status quo without questioning it. In fact, it's usually those who don't want to think that they do what they're told, because asking the whys requires extra brain power. But if you've got a rebellious streak to you and you're curious about the world you live in, then you might be smarter than you actually think you are. Unfortunately, not every workplace or classroom nurtures this idea. In fact, some leaders enjoy feeling in control by leading those who know less than them. Don't fall in this trap and embrace your inquisitive nature. 2. You tend to be self-critical. Narcissists like to project their own reality onto others and don't feel remorse when they lie to others about how good they are at something. But intelligent people know how to acknowledge their own faults, flaws, and weaknesses. Instead of trying to impress others with their abilities, intelligent people can be quite humble and critique themselves, often looking for ways to self-improve. 3. You love projects. Do you like reading up DIY ideas, watching videos on new recipes, or enjoy repairing your home? People who are intelligent love to keep busy. They rarely call it a day after they clock out from work and enjoy immersing themselves with fun activities that boost their knowledge. Just like going to the gym for a physical workout, smart people need their daily brain exercise. Whether it means learning a new language, taking dance lessons, or attending art classes, intelligent people know how to fill up their schedules and minds. 4. You're messy. This is definitely one I can relate to. Do you have a messy room or workplace? Turns out there's more going on than just clutter. According to a study published in Psychological Science by the University of Minnesota, 48 participants were asked to come up with unusual uses for a ping pong ball. The 24 individuals working in neat rooms came up with less creative responses than those who worked in messy rooms. So the next time your mom scolds you for not making your bed, let her know it's hurting your creativity. 5. You don't think that you're smart. This is called the Dunning Kruger effect, in which people with a low level of competence tend to overestimate their abilities, whereas highly competent individuals tend to sell themselves short. Why is this? Intelligent people realize just how much room there is to improve, and they're never satisfied with their current knowledge level. Always hungry for more information, their brain appetite grows with each new set of skills they pick up. Do you resonate with these signs? Please share your thoughts with us below. Remember, intelligence doesn't have to be limited unless you allow it. Everyone has the ability to grow. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Psych2Go for more helpful tips and share this video with others. Thanks so much for watching!